Hello guys! Here is our simple recipe for calderetang chicken, manok. So, we started frying the gulay first and the manok. Tapos yun, nag-start na kami mag-gisa ng bawang at sibuyas with the patis. Then, sinunod na namin yung mga pinrito nga naming mga manok. And we just mix it. After that, hinalo lang namin together with the capsicum. Then, followed by the tomato paste. Then, pampa-enhance ng color ng caldereta natin. Then, mix lang ng mix. Then, after that, yung sabaw, which is, yun yung ginamit namin pang marinate ng chicken. Yun din yung sabaw na nilagay namin dito. So, yun, baka naman magic sarap, pampalasa. Tapos, yun, sinunod na namin yung tomato sauce, caldereta flavor. Then, we just mix lang ng mix. Then, let it cook for a minute. Tapos, yun nga, nakita nyo, sinunod namin yung asin, pampa-enhance ulit ng lasa kasi parang may something na kulang. With Reno, yon pampasarap, pampalapot. Tapos yun, gulay. Sinunod namin yung mga pinrito namin gulay. Then, we just let it cook for 15 minutes and yun na, tapos na. Bye!